The Equipment and Services section is vital for setting up service schedules. When managing equipment or tools across multiple sites, it's critical to have clear and automated service schedules in place. These reminders can be applied to individual pieces of equipment, engineered tools, or even to an entire site where routine checks are needed. For example, if you're tracking assets that require regular calibration or maintenance, such as vans, measuring tools, or other field equipment, you can set up a contract specifically for those items. This allows for greater control and visibility over their service needs. Similarly, if you're conducting general site inspections that aren't tied to specific assets, you can set up site-based services. This is particularly common in facilities management, where routine site visits may involve simple checks like lighting, HVAC systems, or general building maintenance.